Means this is a box and this is known as the volume. Total what, how much water can be stored. Okay, so this much water can be stored, 91,125. Okay, so we want, what do we want? We want the height. Okay, for that height, now one thing to note is, let it be height or length or breadth, it's a cubical tank, so all of the three would be same, right? So we want basically cube root of this. So 5 into 182 to 25, 118 to 25, then 5 into 5 into 36, 45, 5 into 5 into 729. Now 729, once you get it, you must easily get it clicked that 729 is a square of 27 by 27. Okay, those 555 into 27 by 27. So cube root of all these. So cube root is group of 3. This is 1 5 and 27 is group of 3, 3 3 3. So 3 over here and 3 over here. So 5 3 is 15, 3 is 45. 45 is the length, breadth as well as height. So let anything be asked, the answer is 45 for this. 45 meters. Next, a rectangular cubical piece of metal of dimensions 2 centimeter by 3 centimeter by 4 centimeter is melted. Okay, it means there is one piece of this dimension, it is melted. Some more of the metal is added and it is converted into a cube. Okay, the cube has integral measures of for its sides. Integral measures means equal sides, length, breadth and height equal. Okay, what is the minimum amount of metal that is to be added and what is the side of the cube? Okay, here first understand the problem. This is a solid with the sides say 2 over here length, 3 over breadth and 4 over height. Okay, this is not a perfect cube. Now what happens, we have melted this and then what happens, once you melt it, then we add some more solid to it, same solid, and then we convert it into a perfect cube. Now this is a perfect cube, it means height, if this is 3. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.